Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. I hope you all are doing well. In today's class, we shall learn some rules about making the words plural. Okay, so are you ready? Come on, let's get straight into it. But before we move any further, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, turn on the bell notification and hit the like button. Come on, now let's dig into it. Rule 1. It says that in regular nouns, we simply add s to make plurals. What are the regular nouns? Regular nouns are those who do not change their basic spelling, like this word, bag. We will just add s here to make it plural, and it will be bags. Bags. The other word is cat, and it will be cats. Cats. The spelling is the same, and we are adding s to make it plural. Let's see some more examples. These are singular words, and these are plural words. The first one is house. House. The plural is houses. Houses. The word is hat. Hat. Plural is hats. Hats. Cap. Cap. Plural caps. Caps. Computer. Computer. Plural is computers. Computers. Market. Market. Plural is markets. Markets. Singular is hand. Hand. Plural is hands. Hands. Let's see rule number 2. What does it say? It says that in words ending with O, S, SS or double S, SH means digraph sh, CH means digraph ch, X and Z, we add ES in the end. Let's see some examples. The word is mango ending with a O. Mango. So it will be mangoes. We will add ES at the end. Bus will be buses. Box will be boxes. Marsh will be marshes. Let's see some more examples. These are the singular words and these are the plurals. The first one is class. Class. The plural is classes. Fox. Foxes. Dash. Dashes. Rash. Rashes. Bus. Buses. There are two exceptions, one with the letter O and the other is with the digraph sh. Like the word in photo, we do not add ES although they are ending with O. We simply add S here. Photos. Piano. Pianos. Hello. Hellos. Let's look this word fish with the sh in the end. It remains fish. It does not change to fishes if you are talking about one kind of fish. Like for example, the fisherman caught so many salmon fish. Did you hear? I say so many salmon, but I say fish. But this fish will be fishes if I talk about different species of fishes. Like if I say the fisherman has caught so many different fishes like salmon, tuna, kingfish, sherry. So these are different species of fishes. When we are talking about different kind of fishes, we add es with fish. And when we are talking about the same kind of fish, like so many salmon fish, so many tuna fish, we will say simply fish. We will not add s or es with this. So this is an important point to remember. Okay? That's end of today's video. For more rules of singular and plural about changing F and FE to VES and the change of Y to IES, keep watching my videos. I shall upload it soon. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.